Hi, teachers. It's Joan. I'd love your opinions and your ideas about what I've written in this monthly teach message to you. And that is bridge mate generations. People who've been brought up with no idea of scoring because they're concentrating, they put the score into the bridge mates and they don't ever calculate them. They don't ever have to worry too much about them. What's it doing to our game? It is definitely changing it. So I'd just like to show you a scenario that I don't think many people who are pressing scores into Bridgemates would have any idea about with a hand like this. So you pick up an opening hand and you start with one spade. And the next hand says double and your partner says redouble. Well, what does redouble mean? A lot of people don't use it these days. It's an extremely important weapon for when the bidding is competitive and you, North, the redoubler, want to tell partner two things. One, we've got the balance of power because a redouble promises 10 or more points. And two, we don't have a fit. So if we don't have a spade fit or if we don't have any other fit, then east west are in trouble. So what it says is hold steady. We are going to probably get a good score on this hand. And most people in this position would think that they need to bid. It's the very opposite. With a decent hand, you need to pass because the redouble has happened and the bidding has to go around to West, the doubler, and who knows what these hands might be about. West has probably not a long suit, but a balanced opening hand. Partner doesn't have a fit for spades, but has 10 or more points and is assuring us that we've got the balance of strength. So also they notice East West are vulnerable, even worse for poor old East West. So you ruin the whole thing by bidding here. The idea is to pass with anything but a very weak hand. So West had to bid something. They couldn't have passed it out because then the bidding would have been one spade redoubled. So they bid two clubs. They've probably only got four clubs. And partners double is now penalties. It says they are not making two clubs. I've got points. I don't have spades. I'm in a wonderful position to defend this hand, and I'd like you, partner, to let me do it. That's what the redouble says. It's a very powerful message. So, look at the hand that went down. Pretty awful. So, unfortunately, West doesn't have a lot to work with. The ten of spades lead, looking at Queen 7-6-2, that'll be a doubleton or a singleton. So we could play low, let it win and see what's going on. Ah, it's a doubleton. So the spades are 5-4-2-2. Play the 9. Play the ace of spades, roughed and over roughed. Tried this one. They win the ace, but still our jack's a winner. Let them win. Partner's winning it, returns a diamond, we win the jack. Whoa, now we play the king of spades. Partner over roughs. Things are going rather beautifully here. Wow, partner had the ace of hearts as well. And the king of clubs. Wow. So we've just taken this contract for 1100 in the scoring. Two clubs doubled for 1100. How did we get that? We got that by understanding the importance of the scoring and what a redouble meant and what a penalty double means. So that would be an extremely good score in any field of bridge, 1100 from defending 2 clubs doubled. Well, people who are just pressing scores into bridge mates these days, they don't really have the knowledge. So it's our job as teachers to really help them in these areas. So I'd love your opinions. Please send them, and I'll discuss that next month. Okay, have a great month, everyone.